Good day everyone, so today's video is going to be about Bitcoin and altcoins, and as we can see here, nothing really changes on the market. There is no volatility, the market stays in a flat. So I think that here we have the same situation we had from March 2023 to October 2023. So here we also had no volatility, we stayed in a flat, and I want to remind you guys that there is two methods of shaving out weak people from the market. The first one is shaving out with fall, so the market falls, people lose their money, and the second one, shaving out weak people from the market using the flat. So I think that here we have the second method, and I can confess that I'm really getting tired of explaining, I'm really getting tired of making all these videos to make sure that you will buy altcoins. So even if I'm getting tired of all these flats, of all these low volatility markets, I think that this is a very bullish signal as to buy altcoins, and especially when they stay on the global bottom and blah blah blah. So here on Binance Launch Pool, here we have the NOTcoin listing. So I'm very surprised that this coin is getting listed on Binance and all the other exchanges, because I thought that this coin was a little joke, a little meme, so I didn't think that all these things will become so serious. So I don't think that the price of this coin will be very high, because this is tap to earn mining mechanic project. So people just tap on their phones and they are getting these coins. So there is a very big, a very crazy circulating supply, and I think that price of this coin will be below 1 cent. So let's review the market shortly, and the first one we have is Fear and Greed Index, and it shows us 56% greed, and right now I think that this is kind of true values that's worth it. But before, as I think these indicators showed up as some wrong numbers, because when we firstly fell to 61k level, this indicator showed us around 70 or 80% greed, but right now I think that this is true values. On Liquidations Map, here we can see that for last 24 hours we liquidated around 45 millions of dollars, and this is pretty small amount for usual cryptocurrency trading day, because usually we liquidate much more money, and this is getting simply justified by the fact that we have a very low volatility on the market. So here, as I said, this is Bitcoin volatility chart. Here we have a very small volatility, and so the cryptocurrency volatility. On Google Trends altcoins topic, here we can see that altcoins interest stay in the local bottom, in the local low. So this is another very good, very bullish indicator that we need to buy altcoins again. So let's move to the news, and guys, as I see, there are 50-50% of positive and negative news. So some people might say that, bro, if you expect a bullish explode on the markets, why should it happen? Because there are 50% of positive news. For example, some news expected 50k bottom for Bitcoin, and they were right. So guys, don't be that categorical to this news and only use your brain to think. So the first news we have is Bitcoin down 20% from March, but class note analysts are very bullish. Here's why. So I'm also very bullish on Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency market. So let's read what they write. And the first take they have that Bitcoin is very bullish, that whales accumulating as institutions eye Bitcoin. And this is true. Some big wallets, some big addresses are now accumulating Bitcoin. And here we have some image that shows us that some government is accumulating Bitcoin very willingly, and this government bought around 10,000 of Bitcoins. So I am agree with this news. So another news we have is Bitcoin price could plunge to 52k, analyst predicts. So this is another narrative that we had in October 2023, because then people think that if Bitcoin stays at 30k and altcoins stay in their global very bottom, then if Bitcoin will fall to 25-20k, then altcoins will give the second bottom, and that's why I will not buy altcoins. But as you can see, after the fact, they weren't right. And right now here we have the same narrative, like if Bitcoin stays right now at 60k and altcoins also stay in their global bottom, then if Bitcoin will fall to 52k, then the altcoins will give the very bottom and will give the October prices. And another news is the altcoin market set for an explosive rally. Analysts eye these three indicators, and let's see what do they write, what analysts do expect. The first one related: altcoins will bottom in the early summer before the bull run. Analysts and magazine: buy altcoins now but sell before mid 2025. Charles Edwards Hall of Fame. So again, I am agree with this news, and I think that all these news are right, that soon altcoins can explode as well. So let's move to the chart, and I will recommend you some points that I would buy right now. So the first one is of course Algorand. This is CBDC cryptocurrency. This is a great cryptocurrency, and guys, large funds willingly bought this coin at these levels at $2. So I expect minimum 20x from this coin. So this coin's potential is around, again, 20x, and of course this is not October prices, but guys, bull run has already started and you need to take action right now, and especially when altcoins stay in their global bottom, when the altcoins interest stay in a global bottom. So another great coin I would recommend you to buy is GRG. This is AI sector category coin. So this coin's potential is around 10x, and again, large funds and whales hold this coin. I will recommend you some metaverse coin, just like Sand. This coin's potential is very great, around 20x. Another metaverse coin, TLM. This coin's potential is very crazy, and as you can see, the price shows us that this coin is still alive. Another very great metaverse project is Alice and DAR. So all the potentials of these coins are very high. DAR, let's move to the DAR chart, and as you can see, the DAR's potential is crazy, around 100x. So guys, buy altcoins, buy the altcoins that I already recommended you to buy in previous videos. To YTX, this is a very great DeFi project that gave the October fall prices. So guys, use these opportunities while these opportunities are given. So another great DeFi project is Dodo. So this coin's potential is also very high, around some crazy X's, and some altcoins are already starting to grow, and for example Dodo has already raised for around 20%. So that's all for today. I hope you understood the message of this video, and that's why I think that autumn 2023 equals spring 2024. Goodbye.